Hello there, reviewers, welcome back to Decor Idea channel. Watch the video until the end to see today's our best idea and get inspiration. Before you build beautiful furniture, there is one skill that even most important than cutting wood. It is not about expensive tools or year of experience. It's about working safely every single time. The best woodworkers don't rush. They build with confidence because they put safety first. Today's video is packed with simple, beginner-friendly habits that can help you enjoy woodworking while avoiding common mistakes. Whether you are making your every first project or improving your skills, this tip will help you build smart from day one. Let's get started. Slow down before you start. Excitement is great, but rushing often leads to mistakes. Take a moment to prepare before every project. Look at your materials. Think about each step before you begin. A few extra seconds of planning can save a lot of trouble later. Keep your workspace clean. A clean workspace makes every project easier. Remove anything that gets in your way. Keep the floor clean so you can move comfortably. Remove tools to their place when you are finished using them. A tidy workspace helps you stay focused. Wear the right safety gear. Protect your eyes every time you work. Wear hearing protection when needed. Use a dust mask when creating fine dust. Avoid loose clothes that could get caught. Comfortable, safe clothes help you more work with confidence. Let the tools do the work. Don't force your way through a project. Move at a steady, comfortable pace. If something does not feel right, stop and check. Good results come from patience, not speed. Smooth, controlled movements create better projects. Stay focused. Avoid distraction while working. Put your phone away from a while. Finish one task before starting another. Give your full attention to what you are doing. Focus helps create both safety and better looking projects. Check your wood first. Take a close look before you begin. Make sure the wood is clean and in good condition. Remove anything that does not belong on the surface. Look out for crack or damage that could cause problems later. Starting with good materials makes the project easier. Use simple helpers. Sometimes small helpers make a biggest difference. Use simple support to keep the wood steady. Keep your hands comfortably away from moving apart. Let helpers tools do the difficult work. Smart habits are better than taking unnecessary risks. Never rush to finish. Everyone wants to see the final result, but the safety projects are built one careful step at a time. Slow progress is still progress. Taking your time usually creates a better finish. Enjoy the building process. Learn from every project. Every build teaches something new. Even experienced woodworkers continue learning. Notice what worked well. Think about what you would improve next time. Every project makes you a better builder. Safety is the first tool you should pick up. Great woodworking always begins with safety habits. Beautiful furniture is not worth risking an injury. Make safety part of every project every time. Good habits become automatic with practice. Building safety means you can enjoy woodworking for many years to come. Confidence comes from good habits. Every experienced woodworker started as a beginner. Confidence is not about taking chance. Confidence comes from repeating safety habits every time. The more careful you are today, the more comfortable you will become tomorrow. Safety habits quickly become second nature. Prepare before you build. Spend a few minutes getting everything ready. Gather your materials before you begin. Make sure you have enough space to move comfortably. A little preparation makes the whole project smoother. Good projects usually starts with good planning. One step at a time. Focus on the step you are doing right now. Don't worry about the finished project yet. Completing one task will make the next one easier. Small projects adds up quickly. Yet furniture is built one careful step at a time. Never feel rushed. Woodworking is not a race. There is no prize for finishing first. Slow woodwork often produces the best result. Take your time and enjoy the process. Careful woodwork always shows in the finished process of project. Learn to stop when something feels wrong. Trust your instinct. If something does not feel safe, stop immediately. Take a moment to figure out what's causing the problem. Fix issue before continuing. A short pause is always better than a costly mistake. Keep your hands comfortable. Always. Now whether your hands are, give yourself plenty of space while working. Let simple helpers do the difficult job. Never place yourself in uncomfortable position. Good habits help you stay in control. Build in a bright workspace. Good lighting helps you notice details. It is easier to see your work clearly. Bright space helps reduce mistakes. Shadow can hide important things. A well-lit workshop is a safer workspace. Stay organized throughout the project. Return tools after using them. Keep your work area neat as you go. Remove scraps that collect around you. An organized space helps you think clearly. Clean workspace often produce cleaner projects. Practice on small projects first. Start with simple builds. Small projects teach important skills. They help you become familiar with your tools. Success builds confidence. Every finished project prepares you for a large one. Don't compare yourself to others. Every learn at a different pace. Focus on improving your own skill. Celebrate small victories. Every project is another step forward. Progress matters more than perfection. Ask questions and keep learning. No one knows everything. Experienced woodworkers are always learning. Watch the video, read books, learn from every project you complete. Curiosity is one of the best woodworking tools. Build a routine. Follow the same safe habit every time. Check your workspace. Prepare your materials. Stay focused on what you started to finish. Good routine creates consistent result. Enjoy the journey. Woodworking is about more than building furniture. It's about learning a new skill. It's about creating something with your own hand. Every project tells a story. Each moment of the process. Every mistake is a lesson. Mistakes happen to everyone. Don't let them discourage you. Think about what you learned. Apply that lesson to your next project. Improvement comes through experience. Safety protects your future project. The goal is not just to finish today's build, it is to enjoy woodworking for many years to go. Safe habits protect your hands, your eyes, and your confidence. Every careful decision helps you keep creating. The best woodworkers don't just build beautiful furniture, they build safely every single time. So, at the end, remember, every masterpiece begins with simple habits. You don't need the biggest wood workshop or the most expensive tools to become a great woodworker. Stay with patience, build with care, keep learning with every project. The more you practice a habit, the more enjoyable woodwork becomes. If today's video or guide helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly woodworking tips, DIY furniture idea, and creative wood project. Would you love to hear from you? What was the first woodwork project you ever built? Thanks for watching. Stay safe, keep creating, and we will see you in the next woodworking adventure.